Photography is a versatile field with immense potential to make money online. Whether you are an amateur photographer looking to monetize your hobby or a professional photographer seeking to expand your business, the internet has a wealth of opportunities to offer. We will share some top tips and tricks for making money through online photography. 1. Define your niche. The first step in making money through online photography is to define your niche. Are you interested in stock photography, event photography, or artistic photography? Once you have defined your niche, you can focus on developing your skills and creating a portfolio that showcases your strengths. It's also essential to research your target audience and understand their needs and preferences. 2. Build a strong portfolio. A strong portfolio is crucial in making money through online photography. Your portfolio should showcase your best work and highlight your unique style. It's essential to keep your portfolio up to date and regularly add new photos. You can also use your portfolio to attract potential clients and showcase your work on social media platforms. 3. Develop a marketing strategy. To succeed in making money through online photography, you need to develop a marketing strategy. This strategy should include creating a website, building your social media presence, and reaching out to potential clients. You can also collaborate with other photographers and businesses to expand your reach. 4. Sell your work online. There are many platforms and websites where you can sell your photography online. Some popular options include Shutterstock, iStock, Getty Images, and Adobe Stock. These websites offer photographers the opportunity to sell their work to a global audience and earn a commission on each sale. You can also sell your work on your website or through print-on-demand services. 5. Learn from successful photographers. Learning from successful photographers is a great way to pick up tips and tricks for making money through online photography. Some photographers who have used these secret hacks include Leibovitz, Jarvis, and Peter McKinnon. They have all built successful careers by honing their craft, developing their marketing skills, and leveraging the power of the internet. In conclusion, making money through online photography requires passion, dedication, and hard work. It's essential to define your niche, build a strong portfolio, develop a marketing strategy, sell your work online, and learn from successful photographers. By following these tips and tricks, you can turn your passion for photography into a lucrative online business. Remember to be creative, innovative, and always strive to improve your skills. Good luck on your journey to becoming a successful online photographer.